Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to adjust our Wix Harmony Forms spam filters. Let's get started. Click on your form to select it, then go to Edit Form on the action bar above. Here on this window, go to the Settings tab, then look for the Spam Filter section. And here you can see a drop down. Click on it and you'll see three options. So the first one is only reCAPTCHA. So this uses invisible reCAPTCHA to analyze whether or not a site visitor is a human or a bot. And if it suspects in any way that the user is a bot, then it will show a challenge that it must go through. Next, you have the basic and reCAPTCHA. So this also uses an invisible reCAPTCHA, but the submissions go through a basic spam filter that labels spam based on different criteria. This would be considered as the mid-level spam filter setting. And then we have the advanced and reCAPTCHA, which is the highest spam filter setting here. This includes a reCAPTCHA and the basic filter, but with an additional advanced filter to label spams, and is recommended to only be applied if the other two filters don't mark the submission as spam. So feel free to select an option here. And once you're done, click on Save so that the changes you've made on your form will be saved, and then it would be safe to close this window. And that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help, and if you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.